Hey everybody, my name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song Like That by Memphis Bleek. So let's go to the studio and start. Alright, let's do it from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and do it 1, 2, on the third time slowly, 3, close on 4, pull it, 5, lift and 6, got 7, and cross on 8. One more time. 5, 6, slowly, 7, 8, go 1, 2, slow, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Gun and cross on 8. Good job. Alright, next, from here, we're gonna go open. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, your left, go to the back of your left foot. 5, step back. 6, and hand to the left, to the side, rotate. 7, hit it on 8. Let's try one more time. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Alright? Good. Next time. Next step. From here, go scoop. 1 on 2, and 3, brush 4, 5 in 6, and 7, 8. One more time. Go scoop. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, in 6, and 7. It's like and 7. Go from on 8. Alright? Try again. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next. You're gonna scoop to the front. 1, 2. To count the shoulder left, left, right, knee up. Alright, from here you step your left to the left side, then straight, cross, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and back. One more time. Again, 5, 6, 7, and scoop. 1, 2, shoulder 3 and 4, go 5, 6, and 7. Then from here, go straight face to your left, right side, and have yourself on 8. Let's do it a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, go 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Oops, sorry about that. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shoulder 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, next, move here. Next, you gotta step front, walk. 1, 2, 3. Right, 4. You gotta step 5, your arms covering it. 5, 6, and 7. Last one, drop, and 8, chest. One more time. So 7, alright, 7, 8, then right, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So from here, you're gonna go 1, front, knee, then left, and high. Cross, open, jump, cross, in, hit it. That's it. Let's try one more time. So let's do a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, hit it. Good job. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Okay, let's do everything from the beginning. We do twice. First, slow, The second one is the real beat. I mean the regular beat. Regular count. That's right. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Brush 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, and 7. Hit it. All right, now let's do faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, shoulder up, weight, shoulder, and head. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Hey! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for my new update videos. See you soon!